When people think of IoT, they traditionally think of a device with sensors gathering data, devices like Arduino boards, Raspberry Pis, or custom circuit boards. IoT is a lot more than that. It's three parts. It's things, insights, and actions. The thing is the device, the sensors gathering data. The insights are what you do with that data, the results of looking at sensor values. For example, does this vibration data suggest a part will fail? Does this location data mean a truck is outside of where it should be? Does this image from an assembly line camera show a broken product? Does this data from a wearable health device indicate a health problem, such as high blood pressure? The actions are what you do with the insights. Shut off the machine, alert the driver, contact the wearer's doctor. To make insights, the data needs to be some way it can be analysed, and this is where the cloud comes in. Microsoft Azure has two services that allow you to connect IoT devices to the cloud so you can start making insights from sensor data, Iot Hub and Iot Central. These services are ideal for hackathons using IoT devices. Although they support large enterprise deployments with millions of devices, they also support small projects such as a hack and offer generous free tiers, as well as low prices if you want to exceed that free tier. Just remember to turn the service off after your hackathon if you're not using a free tier. Iot Hub is a secure pipeline for IoT data. You connect your devices to Iot Hub, and the data is sent from the device to the cloud or from the cloud to the device. This data can be telemetry, sensor data sent by the device, settings that you want the device to use, even after being restarted, or messages requesting that the device does something, such as stop the machine, alert a person via a light or a sound. Iot Hub also supports IoT Edge, deploying AI models from the cloud to run on an IoT device. Iot Hub is just a pipeline. To use the data you collect, you need to connect it to another service to either store the data or process it in real time. The free tier of Iot Hub allows you to send 8,000 messages a day, which is pretty generous. Iot Central is a software platform for IoT that sits on top of Iot Hub. You can define the data a device will send or receive and visualize this data on charts, tables, or maps using a drag and drop dashboard builder. Iot Center is the quickest way to get data from a device and visualize it. You can also set up rules that are triggered based off data values, and these can send emails or call webhooks. Exports can be set up to store IoT data in a database or send it on to other services for real-time processing. The free tier of Iot Central gives you 2 devices and works for 7 days without an Azure subscription, or with an Azure subscription you can get the first 2 devices free forever and then pay per device after that. You can learn more about these services on Microsoft Learn, our free online hands-on self-guided learning platform. Head to aka.ms/hackathons/IoT to see a collection of learning paths that cover IoT.